Hey builders, I'm James, and today I'll be showing you how to keep building ML models in your favorite dev environment while getting access to all your Snowflake data with scalable distributed compute power without sacrificing anything you'll love about where you're building today, whether that's VS Code, Jupyter, or any other IDE. Picture this, you're coding in your beloved setup, maybe VS Code with custom themes, keyboard shortcuts, and extensions you can't live without. You got the perfect debugging environment, your Git flow, and everything exactly how you like it. In order to develop a model that you can be confident in, you need to train it on a larger dataset than what you've been experimenting with so far. Do you now have to uproot your entire environment just so you can scale up your ML workflow? What if you could stay in your favorite IDE, but selectively execute the resource-intensive parts of your code to run in scalable compute infrastructure? Here's the beautiful part. You don't need to change anything about how you work. With the remote code execution through ML jobs, you can continue to work in any IDE and connect directly to Snowflake data and compute. This exact same code can run on Snowflake Container Runtime, which is an environment that can execute any OSS pipeline and is optimized to scale ML workflows through distributed CPUs and GPU compute. Same code, same logic, same file. Simple modifications required. Now instead of waiting hours on your laptop, you get scalable container-based compute in seconds with direct access to your Snowflake data. Your exact same code, your exact same logic, just running with unlimited memory and CPU power. No rewrites, no refactoring, no headaches. This is why ML Jobs is a game changer for development. You get to keep everything you love about coding where you like. Your IDE setup, all your shortcuts, themes, and extensions stay exactly the same. Your debugging workflow, set breakpoints, inspect variables, step through your code like always. Your Git integration, commit, branch, merge, all your version control stays local. Your development speed, no browser lag, no network delays, instant code completion. But now when you need serious compute power and secure access to all your data, one command sends your work to enterprise infrastructure. You're not choosing between great tools and great performance anymore. You get both. That's it, builders. Keep building locally, scale globally with Snowflake ML. Your environment for development, Snowflake's infrastructure for heavy lifting, no data movement. Try remote code execution with ML Jobs today and supercharge your ML workflow. Don't forget to subscribe to continue learning, and check the description below for more resources. Happy building, and I'll see you next time.